Guys, it's Ruthie with the Popol Backyard Farm. I'm sitting on the front porch enjoying the day. It's cool and it feels great, especially when you're working. But I'm taking a little break out here. But I want to ask you guys about something that everybody keeps talking to me about lately, and that's Bitcoin. Um, all these young people that I know, meaning young 30s, keep telling me how wonderful Bitcoin is and how they're investing in it. And I remember, you know, probably at that point in my life, we were always talking stocks and bonds and different kinds of investments. But now everybody's talking this Bitcoin and how it's going to go through the ceiling and all that type of thing. So, just out of curiosity, I thought it would be fun to ask my followers about it and let me know, what do you think about Bitcoin? Some people think it's the greatest thing since sliced bread. And I don't completely understand it. I know they mine for it. They say it can never go down. I don't really know. I mean, I am totally clueless. That's my disclaimer. So in the comments below, let me know what your thought is on Bitcoin. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.